Hey, are your AirPods always falling out of your ears? Well, one of the ways to solve that problem is to get one of these wraps, and then they kind of hook into your ears. So let me show you how to put them on. So we're gonna go ahead and open them. And first, I need to take this out. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this, open this. I need to show you guys how to open the box and take out AirPods. I'm just kidding. But okay, so once we do that, all we simply have to do is now look for the hole right here and then put it in so the hook is upwards. And oops, you want to make sure that it aligns with where the speaker is. So like this. And now just mess with it so that this hole and this hole are open. And that's all there is to it. And when you put it in your ear, see how it hooks onto the top? That's all there is to it. And once you hook them in, they work really well. So as you can see, they don't fall out. So once again, this is how they look, and I definitely recommend them. Really good. And this helps if your ears don't fit AirPods naturally. All right, guys, I'll put a link below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.